Hi there, students. To slither, and I guess as an adjective, slithery as well. Okay, to slither, we use it in two different ways. Either to move like a snake, to slide across the ground like a snake, moving from side to side. A snake slithered across the grass. I guess the worm slithered along the surface of the ground. Okay, so we can also use this figuratively like this, meaning to move. But slither is quite critical and negative. He slithered over to the window. He moved like a snake. Yeah? And the other meaning of slither is to slip. So he slithered on the ice. The ice was very slithery. Whoop! Yeah, I saw him slithering about in the mud. So he slithered out of the meeting. He slipped out while nobody was noticing him. Nobody noticed him. He tried to slither out of the problem. Yeah, he slithered out of an embarrassing situation. It was clear he hadn't done the work or anything related to it, and he slithered around it, looked embarrassed and apologized, but didn't do anything else. Okay, so he slithered out. This is when you're talking about somebody you really don't like. If you're using this word slither, you're implying this person is a bit of a snake and a dishonest person. Yeah? But also to slip. The country seems to slither from one crisis to another. And here this is the other meaning, to slip. Okay, to slip from one to another. So to slither, to crawl, to grovel, to wriggle like a snake. Yeah, so the snake slithered through the garden. Let's see, to get under the porch, I had to lie on my stomach and slither under it. Okay, so effectively I'm moving like a snake to get into the position. Okay. He slithered up to me and asked me for money again. Okay, so to move in a rather, but you're criticizing, you're calling them dishonest, or to slip on an icy or slippery surface. I went slithering down the muddy road and I thought I was going to fall over. So this word is easy to remember for those of you who are Harry Potter fans. One of the houses at Hogwarts is called Slytherin, and I have the feeling slither in, to enter like a snake, because the people in Slytherin were not very nice, were they? Okay, so to slither, a slithering motion, or to slip or to slide. He slithered down the railway bank and arrived at the rail tracks. Okay, slip, slide, glide, slink, yeah, to skid, to move. So he slithered down the rope. He slid down the rope. He slithered down the slippery slope. Or he slithered down the slippery slope, or he slipped down the slithery slope. I think the collocation is more the slippery slope. And then he was slithering about on the ice. The dog was slithering about in the mud. So to slip or slide while trying to walk. So notice, to slither is a regular verb. He slithered over to me, and he has slithered to and fro, and then finally he fell over. Okay, formality. 5, informality. Use this word absolutely anywhere, informally and formally. And then probably it's an alliteration of the word Slytherin, effectively from slide or to slip, from Proto-Indo-European sled to slip, slayed. Okay, so it's the equivalent to slide. Okay, so to slither, to move like a snake, to criticize somebody, or to say that somebody nasty or evil or underhanded is moving, to slither. And then to slide, he slithered on the ice, to slip backwards and forwards. Okay, so anyway, enough. To slither, slithery as an adjective. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slither, slithery.